Hi children, this is the maths activity for Tuesday the 2nd of June. We're going to kick off with some mental maths, starting off with test 11. I've got another 10 questions, see how quickly you can do that, and then you can get the answers for it. So these are a mixed bag, 31 times 4, a quarter of 16, if you can remember that is exactly as finding a quarter of 16. So you can use your division, 16 divided by 4. And the answer there, you've got division. Then you've got some sums where you've got two symbols to work. So number 4 is 2 pluses. So adding those along from left to right. Some you've got a mixture, plus and a subtraction. So you do the first sum first and then tackle the second one. Okay, and for the last one you've got 11 times 6, find the answer of that and then add 6. Okay. Next thing, we're going to count in different ways, 0.1s, 0.2s, counting on in 0.5s and then 0.25s. So you can write the next 3 numbers in each sequence. So the first sheet is going up in 0.1s. So if you look at what you've got already, 0.1, 0.2, and what will be the next 3 that follow that, if you're jumping up in 0.1s. Okay, the next one is jumping up in 0.2s. Look at what you've already got, 3.2 grams, 3.4 grams, and then add on the next 3 numbers that follow that. Simple enough. 0.5 steps in these sequences, and then 0.25, so using 2 decimal places but going up in 0.25. Okay, and you've got the answers. So the main maths is to use column addition to add 3-digit numbers and using money as well. So the rounding numbers to estimate answers, which is really important. Using compact column addition to add 3-digit numbers. Using compact column addition to add 3 money amounts, and then investigate, estimating and addition of numbers between 1 and 9. Okay. Go down. It'd be really good to get an email photograph to me for any of this work on column addition of 3 3-digit numbers, 3 4-digit numbers, and any money problems. Okay, there is the learning reminder telling you how to use column addition, making sure that the place value of each digit is in the right column. Going down. So we've got the practice sheet for the mile, adding 3 3-digit numbers. So if you look at the first one, 428 plus 347 plus 121. So if you're looking at these numbers, first of all we can round these numbers up to the nearest 50 or nearest 100. So 428, if we can round that up to say 450, move up to its nearest 50. 347 is very close to 350, and then 121, let's round that down to 100, to the nearest 100. So we add those up, 450 plus 350 is 800 plus 100. Our estimate tells us that the answer is going to be close to 900. So when we put them into columns for the addition sum, we can work that out. 8 plus 7 plus 1, 8 and 7 is 15, plus 1, 16, carry the 1 over into the tens, 2, 4, 2, and plus 1 is 9, and then in the hundreds, nothing to carry over, 400 plus 300 plus 100 is 800. So our true answer is 896. If we look at our estimation, 900 That's very close. So that's how I'd like to see it worked out. So if you can do those for the rest, this is the mile sheet. And then you've got a little challenge. So you can find three digit numbers with a total of exactly 1000. No zeros allowed in your digits, only using digits 1 to 9. And then you've got your hot sheet. Again, three digit numbers, and then a little challenge, which numbers can get exactly to 1111. And then we've got some add-in money amounts. Now there we can see an expanded version for £4.25 plus £3.69. £4 is expanded, 20 is expanded, and 5 pennies is expanded from 4.25. And then £3.69, £3 plus 60 plus 9. Adding them up. And then we've got the compact edition. And obviously you should have the same answer if you've calculated that properly. Then we've got another one. And then we've got 6 problems. If you can put them into 2 sets, look carefully at them, which ones will add up to more than £10 and which ones will add up to less than £10. So look carefully at each sum, see if you can do some rounding up or rounding down, and see which ones will fit into which column, less than £10 or more than £10. And then we've got the hot sheet for adding money. And then we've got for an extension to do 3 4-digit numbers exactly the same way, just adding them up, starting with the units, the tens, the hundreds, and then the thousands. And check your answers. And if you're a little bit stuck, you've got expanded sums. And then for the money, you've got some prices here. And you're going to show what you can do when you expand it. So if we're using the beach ball, which is at £3.43, and the bucket, which is £2.25, the beach ball, £3.40, and pennies, 43, £3.43, and the bucket, £2, 2 tens, 20, and 5 pennies, £2.25. So that's an expanded edition. And see if you can do the same for others and add them up. We've got a little sheet there, if you're a little bit stuck. And then for the investigation, we've got digits 1 to 9. You can only use 1 digit at a time. You've got to make additions of 3 digit numbers. You can only use that 1 digit once in each sum. So for this one, this is okay. You use 543, 689 and 271, all used each digit once, but not this one, because there are 2 numbers that have been used twice, the 3 and the 4, so you can't do that. And then see if you can meet these challenges. See if you can find the biggest total possible, the smallest total possible, and a total of 3 digit numbers that come as close to 1,500, as close as you can get. And then you've got some decimals addition, just to keep you up to spec. See how well you can do that. Okay, good luck.